A simple click changed the world of gardening forever. From this click, the original Gardena system was born. A revolution in garden watering and the beginning of Gardena's success story. Since then, 500 million connectors have conquered the market in more than 120 countries, making the Gardena brand world famous. But what makes this click so successful? At Gardena, the customer and the garden are always the focus of all our developments. The original Gardena system is developed by practical people who love their gardens too. Their innovative ideas are turned into Gardena products thanks to high-quality materials, the newest manufacturing methods and uncompromising quality. Special formulae make high-value raw materials even stronger, tougher and better. In production, we constantly monitor for perfection. Only the best components are processed and go on to be mounted with state-of-the-art machines and the highest precision. And last of all, our employees have the trained eye and the keen sense for absolute quality. Made in Germany. In this way, we create top-of-the-range products with tried and tested durability for everyday garden use. They can resist scorching sunlight. In tests, all original Gardena system products have to be able to withstand the intensity of 3 years of Australian sun without a blemish. Some can stand an icy frost. A Gardena innovation. While others can simply be left out in the rain. Some tireless products are in constant use, under continuous pressure of up to 6 bar at 12,000 cycles. And still have to produce a perfect spray profile at the end for optimal practical use. They are reliable and always stay watertight. They are continuously tested, right to the limit. Fully laden, they have to complete an 85-kilometer ultramarathon over rough surfaces, negotiate 1,000 steps, and always be ready for more. Because the original Gardena system was developed and produced for the toughest garden use. Often copied but never matched, because innovation cannot be imitated. The original Gardena system. Gardena, my garden, my passion.